welcome to CCTV helpline. Today we are having IP camera of Hikvision. This is the model number you can see, and the problem in this camera is port is burned, you can see. So we are going to change the whole cable with new one. So let's see step by step process of changing the cable of Hikvision camera. So first we will open the camera. So friends, we have opened this camera. You can see we'll remove the screws of this camera. You can see from inside there is a one packet. This packet is silica. It is used for moisture absorption as well as heat absorption. It is very useful to protect the camera. You can see this is the cable and this is the connector of this Hikvision. Because of these cables and these connectors, we are able to see data as well. We are able to send data as well as power to this camera. This is a PoE board of camera, and below you can see this is the camera PCB of camera. This is the main PCB of camera, and this is the PoE of camera. Due to this PoE, power is going to the PCB of camera. So now we are going to remove the connector. So we are keeping it aside. Friends, we are going to replace that burned PoE cable with new PoE cable. You can see the PoE cable. It's a new PoE cable. It is available in market as well as online platforms. You can order it from online platforms. If you are not getting this cable, you can comment in my comment section. I will definitely arrange for you. You can see inside this cable how many cables are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 cables. 9 cables are there, friends. These two cables are directly for DC power, red for 12 volt and black for minus 12 volt. And you can see these again we are having red and black cable. This is also used for power for the PoE, and these 2 4 5, these 5 cables are used for data transmission. So we'll see how this cable will replace with Hikvision's cable. If you will see in Hikvision cable how much cables we are having in this cable. In this we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We are having 10 cables into this. So we'll see how to use these cables. If you'll see the connector of this cable, these are very small connectors, and this connector is not available in market. In market, if you are going to get the connector, that connector will be not get fitted into this PCB of the camera. So we are going to reuse this connector. What we are going to do, we are going to cut this cable from here, and we are going to join into this. Because why we are doing this? Because the connectors over here and connectors over here, they are different. Let me show you how it is different. I will remove one connector and I will show you. So let's remove one connector. You can see both are different. This is quite bigger and this is quite smaller. So this cable is not going to fit this new cable which we are going to put into Hikvision camera. It is not going to fit into this connector. So that's why we are going to cut these cables from here. We'll cut and join with this cable. For joining, which color is going to which cable, that I will guide you. So friends, we have cut the cable from damaged POE cable. In this cable we are having total 10 cables, so we are going to use only 6 cables. You can see this yellow, orange, green, blue, red and black. So we'll see which cables will get joined with which cable of this new one. So I am going to share with you which cable will get joined with which cable. So you can see in diagram also in which cable I have joined with which cable. Okay. So friends, we have inserted this new cable into this. You can see now we are going to join this connector into this cable. So let's see step by step which color cable will get joined with which color cable. Hello friends, as I said we are going to use only 6 cables. So we have used these 6 cables from connector. You can see this orange cable, yellow cable, then green cable and this blue cable and red cable and black cable. So let me show you which cable is get connected with new cable of POE. This orange, you can see orange cable is get connected with green cable of the POE cable. You can see green cable of the POE cable. Then we are having yellow color. Yellow cable is got connected with white green cable of the new POE cable. Then we are having blue cable from connector got connected with white blue cable of the new POE cable. Then green cable, this green color from connector got connected with blue cable of the new POE cable. You can see. Then black will get connected with black cable of the new POE cable and red cable will get connected with red of the new POE cable. You can see. So friends, let's check whether this cable is working or not. So we are going to insert this cable into our PCB of POE. So we are inserting this cable. So we have inserted this cable. Now we are going to connect this into our POE switch. So here we are having our POE switch. You can see one uplink is given into router. You can check over here, one uplink is given into router, and second cable which we are going to use, that we are going to put into the camera. So let's see. After putting the cable, friends, you can see light has came into the cable. It shows, it's a primary indication that our cable is successful. But let's check into SADP tool whether IP is showing or not. Friends, you can see I have opened the SADP tool. In this SADP tool, IP is showing 192.168.0.16. So let's open this IP in Internet Explorer. I have opened the Internet Explorer. Let's put this IP. So this is the IP, friend. This is the camera. So we have successfully replaced the cable and it's working perfectly. You can see the camera. This is the camera. So you can see in screen also. Now I am showing you the screen. This is the screen. So friends, perfectly it's working. In this way you can change the POE cable of the Burn Hikvision IP camera. So friends, if you are having any query related to connection or anything, you can comment in comment section. I will definitely give you the solution of your query. So now we are going to pack this thing and see the final output. This is our final output of the camera, model number, and you can see the cable. So we have successfully changed the cables. Friend, again I am telling, if you are having any query regarding this connection, please comment in comment section. I will definitely give you the solution. Thank you. Keep watching CCTV Helpline.